Morning friends. Today we are performing verification of impulse momentum principle. This is first practical of our turbo machine subject. See, verification of impulse momentum principle. In theoretical lecture we have seen impulse momentum principle. Impulse momentum principle states that force acting on the body with time interval equal to the change in momentum in the direction of force. This is stated by the impulse momentum principle. So here we have proved the verification of impulse momentum principle. This is setup of impact object. In this, here all parameter given here. In this setup, see, this is our plate we have run in the practicals. See, this is inclined plate, this is curve plate, sorry, inclined plate, this is curve plate. See, various plate here. In this practical, we have proved the or verified the impulse momentum principle. So, see here. See here, this is actual force counting. From here, we have calculate actual force strike by jet to on the plate. See, this is nozzle. From this nozzle, just striking on this straight plate, and from this straight plate, we are getting direct force, actual force from here. So take this reading for our calculation. After that, in our for first test, we have performing for straight plate. So in straight plate, we have calculate force, impact of force by the jet equal to rho a v square. So here we are getting density area from the density from the water, we know. Area from this nozzle we have calculated here. Only unknown is velocity. So see here, velocity calculated by this measuring tank. This is measuring tank here, measurement there. From this we have calculated velocity. Velocity calculated by discharge. First we have calculated flow rate. From flow rate or discharge we have calculated velocity. After we are getting velocity, we have calculated force acting by the jet on this plate. This is jet we have seen here, and this is plate. So from this we have calculated jet. See here, this is plate and this is jet. Okay. So this jet acting on the force on this plate, so we have calculated force acting by the water on this or jet on this plate. So after that, this we are getting theoretical force and actual force getting from here. So our observation is, so time required to filling this tank for calculating velocity and actual force getting by this force meter or force gauges. Okay. So this is 4 reading we have taken for opening, 1/4 opening, 1/3 opening, so 1/4 opening, 1/2 opening and 1/3 opening. So after that we have calculate coefficient of impact, actual force upon theoretical force. From this we are getting coefficient of impact. This is test for straight plate. After that, same procedure repeat for inclined plate. Same procedure repeat for curve plate. For inclined plate, force calculated by rho a v square sin theta. Theta we know this is inclination of 30 degree we have given in observations. So we are calculating here force, actual force getting from the force getting gauges. In this way we have verify the impulse momentum principle, calculating coefficient of impact. All detailed procedure I have told you in lectures how to perform the verification of impulse momentum principle, and calculation also I have told you in lectures. So this is actual setup and actual procedure. So once again I have explained the impulse momentum procedure. Firstly, we have start the motor and impact of jet coming from this nozzle. See here, this is nozzle. This impact object acting on this plate, this is straight plate, and this is force gauges. Here from force gauges we are getting direct reading, actual force from here, and theoretical force we are calculating by the formula force equal to rho a v square for straight plate. Velocity calculated by this measuring tank. First, in this tank we have measure the discharge. From discharge we have calculate the velocity for the jet. So for calculation we have given these observations. Total observation: diameter of nozzle 12 mm, area of measuring tank 0.35 into 0.8 meter square, area of pipe, area of nozzle, pipe constant, density of water, inclined angle of plate, distance from hinge to blade, distance from hinge to jet of blade. In this way, we have repeat this procedure for straight plate, inclined plate, curve plate, and calculate force for 3 reading for each plate for half opening, 1/4 opening, and full opening of the valve. So, any doubt, any queries, please ask me on WhatsApp or call. Thank you. This is verification of impulse momentum principle.